he do me that way? I like loving his way. I like loving his way.
While you focus in on the Michael Jackson performance, it's easy to overlook what may be the most amazing thing about him, his audience. You will never find a broader-based crowd at any concert, all ages, all races. If there is a real rainbow coalition anywhere, it's here.
He gets all different types of people
Gets
going.
people up on their feet dancing. He is great.
And his Chicago appearance lived up to all expectations.
Reaching out across the lifetime, city hard to get a reach. Reaching out, I touch your shoulder. I'm dreaming of the street. Every day say why. Everybody sing. Why does he do me that way? Every day say why? Why does he do me that way? Why? Da 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 da. Why does he do me that way? And they say why? Does he do me that way?